Got to hit the club, we've been mobbing all day. Drinking on some rust, dying on Patron. VIP stats, strapped with my chrome. Look around the club, what do I say? Everybody rocking side to side to the beat. Snapping their fingers, bouncing to the groove. All by they self, that's the new move. Nigga, where I'm
oh, thinking about our younger years. There was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down that road before, but that's over now. You keep me coming back for more. Baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love is all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't too hard to see we're in heaven. Oh, once in your life you'll find someone who will turn your world around, bring you up when you're feeling down. Yeah, nothing could change what you mean to me. There is lots that I could say, but just hold me now, 'cause our love will light the way. And baby, you're all that I want.
Davis, I choose you every day and in every lifetime because you're the best thing that's ever been mine.
You are my best friend, my comfort, and my safe place, and I promise to be yours as well. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you and to build this family and future. From this point on, I'm all yours.
Davis, do you take Amanda to be your wife? And do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her? Be faithful to her. Amanda, do you take Davis to be your husband? And do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect him? Be faithful to him for as long as you both shall live.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I'll be standing there by you. Oh, when you're lying in my arms, oh, we're in heaven.
So now, by the power vested in me, I pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your wife.